Hello, hi, Assalamualaikum, and very good morning to all my students. Okay, let's not wasting our time. So let's continue to the 11.4 health issues related to human immunity. Yeah, health issues related to human immunity. Okay, let's go to the learning standard that you have to cover in this subtopic. Okay, you are able to describe health issues related to acquired immunodeficiency syndrome or AIDS. Yeah. Okay, so we are going to learn about the AIDS, yeah, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Okay, so acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Okay, make sure you can pronounce the terms correctly. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. AIDS. Yeah. So it's okay. So what is the acquired immunodeficiency syndrome? Okay, it is started from the human immunodeficiency virus. Okay, so the AIDS it is a syndrome. It is a syndrome that caused by the human immunodeficiency virus or HIV. So HIV is a virus that attacks the human immune system. Okay, so the acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, it is a syndrome that caused by the virus. That virus is called HIV. So HIV refers to the human immunodeficiency virus. So this virus attack the human immune system. Okay, so this is referred to the HIV, yeah, human immunodeficiency virus. So HIV infection causes acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Okay, so HIV will cause the AIDS, right? So the AIDS is started from the HIV, yeah, HIV infection. Okay, so an AIDS patient is easily So AIDS patient refer to the person that already infected with the HIV, yeah, or human immunodeficiency virus. So an AIDS patient is easily infected by other disease. Okay, why? Okay, but why they are easily infected by other disease? Because of the progressive destruction of the individual's immune system. Okay, so you have to know the reason why the AIDS patient is easily infected by other disease, because the immune system of the person is progressively destructed. Yeah, progressively destructed. Yeah, all right. So HIV spreads in the lymphocytes. HIV spreads in the lymphocyte and destroy the lymphocyte. Okay, so HIV will spread in the lymphocyte and will destroy the lymphocyte. So now the lymphocyte cannot produce the antibodies. Yeah, that's why the person with the AIDS, yeah, will easily infected by any disease, yeah, or by other disease. Okay, because the immune system have been attacked by the virus. Okay, an individual infected with HIV does not show any symptom. Yeah, for the first few years. Yeah, for the first few years, the person does not show any symptom. Although HIV has been actively attacking the immune system. The symptom of the disease include chronic diarrhea. Okay, chronic diarrhea. Okay, diarrhea adalah cirit-birit, ya, cirit-birit. And fungi infection, ya, which are only visible after 8 to 10 years. Okay, so after 8 to 10 years infection, okay, there are few symptoms such as chronic diarrhea, fungal infection can be seen. Okay, since the immune system of the individual is already weakened, the body is easily infected by disease. Okay, finally, the immune response is paralyzed and the patient will die from other infection. Okay, that is referred to the AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Okay, what happened to the AIDS patient? The virus or the HIV, human immunodeficiency virus, will attack the immune system. Okay, for the first few years, the person do not show any symptom. But after 8 until 10 years, you will show the symptoms such as chronic diarrhea and also fungi infection. Fungi infection. And then the immune system will be weakened and the body easily infected with the disease. And finally, the person will die because the immune response is paralyzed and he will die because he will die because of the infection of the disease. Okay, so how does HIV is transmitted? Okay, we go to the transmission of the HIV. So HIV enters the body through the transfer of body fluids such as blood and semen across the placenta. Yeah, okay. So please find what is semen, right? Okay. So the woman infected with HIV can transfer the virus to the baby during pregnancy, birth, or breastfeeding. Okay, so you have to remember the HIV only can be transferred through body fluids. Yeah, the HIV only can be transferred through body fluids such as blood and semen. Yeah, blood and the semen. Okay, nevertheless, HIV infection in the fetus and the newborn baby can be avoided with proper medical treatment when the mother is pregnant or during birth. Okay, nowadays there is a proper treatment. Treatment to avoid the fetus and the newborn baby get infected with the HIV. Okay, individuals can be infected by HIV through. Okay, so what are the ways that can transmit the HIV? Okay, first, unprotected sexual relation with an infected individual. Unprotected sexual relation with infected individual. Okay, means the individual has a sexual relation with the AIDS patient. Okay, and then share contaminated needles used to inject drugs or tattoo inks. Shared contaminated needles. Okay, then last one, HIV infected through blood transfusion. HIV infected blood transfusion means the person get the blood that already infected with the HIV. Alright, okay, so I think that's all for the chapter 11, human immunity. Alright, so I hope you can read again and again the concept of the human immunity. So make sure you can describe about the body defense, the first line of defense, the second line of the defense, and the third line of the defense. Alright, and then you have to explain about the types of action of antibodies in the body, and also this is the important one, which is you have to explain the types of the immunity. The types of the immunity that we have, especially active immunity and also passive immunity. So make sure you can explain the type of the immunity by your own. Alright, okay, So please do your revision, read more about this topic, and please do a little bit memorizing. Alright, okay, I think that's all for now. Thank you, girls. Stay safe, everyone.